Hello, Jale. I just wanted to go through the close exercise Franz geht zum Bahnhof, which I just thought would be useful to look at German and also think about what vocabulary you're going to be using or needing to recognize rather, and also a little bit of simple past. So when we look at this, Franz sollte am Mittwoch seine Tante in Mainz besuchen. We've got obviously the modal sentence there. Franz sollte with besuchen, the infinitive at the end. Bei schlechtem Wetter ging also am Tag vorher in der Mittagspause zum Bahnhof, denn wollte die Abfahrtszeiten der Züge und Fahrkartenpreis wissen. Nach 10 Minuten war fertig. Da erst in einer halben Stunde wieder in der Schule sein sollte, wollte noch 15 Minuten dort verbringen. Franz sah die Menschen, die mit dem Zug aus Limburg gekommen waren. Auf Gleis 3 stand der Schnellzug Marburg. Ein Mann, der 2 schwere Koffer trug, hatte es eilig, weil der Zug nach Marburg bald abfahren sollte. Endlich stand Franz wieder an der Eingangstür. Das Wetter war jetzt ganz anders und konnte seinen Regenmantel wegtun. So just going over a few of those. Some of them are very straightforward. So we've got zum Bahnhof. Then wollte die Abfahrtszeiten der Züge. So here we've got the genitive, the departure times of the trains, and also the ticket prices. So after 10 minutes he was finished because he didn't need to be back at school for half an hour. He wanted to spend 15 minutes there. Franz saw the people who had arrived with the train from Limburg. Now here, auf Gleis 3 stand der Schnellzug Marburg. So at or on platform 3 stood the fast train Marburg. A man who carried 2 heavy suitcases was in a hurry, hatte es eilig. Now here we got another modal, but because of the weil, the modal is at the end. So we've got weil der Zug nach Marburg bald abfahren sollte. Okay, so we've got the infinitive, then the modal. And then at last, or finally, Franz stood at the entrance again. The weather was yet totally different and he could put away his raincoat. Okay? So hopefully that will be a little bit clearer to you which words go where and why they're going where. If not, let me know and we'll have a little tutorial on it. Dankeschön. Tschüss.